Hare Krishna, dear parents. Bhaktivedanta Gurukul and International School welcomes you. We want to explain all about using the BGIS ERP app. How to use the ERP app on your mobile? Please go to the Play Store and type EDUNext, EDUNEXT, and open it. Android users and iPhone users both can do it. Install it and log in it. Now you will need the school code here. So our school code is BGIS, all in small letters. And after that, log in username and password of the student. After that, it will show ERP dashboard like this. You can see here the student's profile, homework, school calendar, fee module, etc. Thank you for using BGIS ERP app.